QNT is one of the few coins that I believe is going to give us more than a 10x in this bull market, and at the time of this recording we are seeing a rejection at a key area of resistance above the $78, which has now led to the formation of a double top, which is a chart pattern that I will be discussing on today's update video. We also continue to hold above a key area of support above the $69.1, and I will also be discussing my long-term price prediction analysis, basing my analysis on the Elliot structures. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video, and starting the video by first discussing this chart pattern that we have here on the 4-hour chart, which is a double top, and this is a bearish pattern that breaks to the lower side, having the minimum target areas for the breakout being given by the height between the tops and the neckline. So we can get that height and then place it below the neckline, giving me a minimum retracement area to the $60.4. So there are high chances that in case in the next coming hours we continue seeing a bit of a pullback here on the QNT chart, and maybe at some point we lose support above the $69.1, then that will be unlocking that scenario of seeing a breakout out of this double top to the lower side, having the $60.4 as our next target area. Also using the Fibonacci's, pulling the fibs from the lows that we made on the 6th of September to the highs that we made above the $78. We also get an area that we need to continue holding as support between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that is between the $67 and the $60.7, which is the area that I have highlighted here on the chart. So in case in the next coming hours you continue seeing a bit of a retracement, losing key areas of support, this is the area that we need to continue holding, and a break to the lower side of this key area of support will be suggesting a bit of a bearish movement for the next coming days, in a move that can easily give us a reset of the lows that we made on the 6th of September and also the lows that we made on the 5th of August. So those are the two scenarios that we need to have in mind in case we continue seeing some bearish momentum. But if by any chance the bulls are able to get back into the market and they are able to break above the key area of resistance above the $78, flipping that key area back into support, there's a very high chance that we can easily see a squeeze to the upside in a move that can easily get us back above the $90. So that is all I'm expecting on the short term. Jumping to the daily chart to now discuss my long-term price prediction analysis, where you can see that we got our bear market lows below the $40 and saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a 5-wave structure over here in a move that gave us a high above the $229, completing the formation of this Elliot wave count 1. And after we picked in that Elliot wave count 1, I have been expecting a bit of a corrective structure in an Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have got the lows for that second wave, and in the next coming weeks we are going to continue seeing higher prices in an Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for that Elliot wave count 3 above the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $353.4, which is an area that I will be expecting QNT to break above once the bull market is back. And a break above that key area of resistance based on the current prices that we have at the moment will easily give us a 5x to the upside. Then we can expect a wave 4 and then continue pushing even higher in an Elliot wave count 5, giving us more than a 10x to the upside. So that is the price action that I'm expecting to play out here on the QNT chart for the next coming hours and also days. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.